Welcome friends, session number 32 of the word power made easy. Now we are going to discuss about the words which are related to how you are going to flatter your friends. So basically there are 10 words that you need to understand, and then we are going to see the root words and how many new words that we are going to make out of these words. So there are 10 words which are as usual. Let's say how we are going to flatter our friends. So there are 10 vocab of it. Number one, friendly and easy to get along with. If somebody is very friendly and very mixing with other people, and then he is very jovial, that kind of personality is known as convivial. Convivial. Tireless. If somebody is never ever tiring, he just go on doing the work without any complaint, and he is persistent in his work, then it is known as indefatigable. Indefatigable. Simple, frank and above board. If somebody is very naive, very frank, very candid and very easygoing, that kind of personality is known as ingenious. Ingenuous. Keen-minded. If somebody is very sharp like a razor, then he is known as perspicacious. 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 If somebody is generous, noble, forgiving, large-hearted, then you can say is megamonious. Somebody is able to do many things skillfully at the same time without developing any kind of fatigue, and he is very skillful about his work, then he is known as versatile. If somebody is unflinching in the race, in the face of pain, he is in amid lot of pain, but he never complain. He never say if and but. He never complain about the situation. He never blame on others. Then that kind of personality is known as stoical personality. If somebody is brave, fearless in facing the problem, then he is known as intrepid. Intrepid. If somebody is charming yet witty, then he is known as scintillating. If somebody is smooth, polished, cultured, then he is known as urban. So with this 10 vocab, we are going to start the definition of each word in detail. Let's say, put the kettle on policy. They are friendly, happy, extroverted, not introverted but extroverted and gregarious. They are sociable, genial, cordial, affable, and they like parties and all eating and drinking that goes with them. Then that adjective is known as convivial. Convivial. You cannot fire them. We all have 24 hours at our disposal. It is not time that counts but energy that counts. The energy is different in different people. So somebody has boundless energy, somebody has a psychological balance, somebody has lack of conflict and never tiring in his work, and he is working very hard. So that kind of personality is known as indefatigable. 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 For example, let us use this indefatigable in sentences. There are two sentences we made out of it. The director of the homeless shelter is an indefatigable woman who works almost 18 hours in a day. So indefatigable means not tiring. Mother Teresa will be forever known for her indefatigable war against poverty. Indefatigable. and fatigable. indefatigable. Next, number 3, no tricks, no secret. They are pleasant and frank, utterly lacking in pretense. They never do pretense. They are original, unable to hide their feeling, honest and above board, simple naturalness, unsophistication of a child. Then that kind of personality is known as ingenious. Ingenuous. So Nuous. Ingenuous. Ingenious. Ingenious means somebody is very simple, very candid. He never hide his anger. He never hide his happiness. Whatever he is, you can see. They are like a mirror. You can check it. They are very transparent. They are like a child. They are very, very naive. My ingenious 6 years old sister believes there is an Easter bunny because he is ingenious. The little boy ingenious habit of constantly telling the truth made him popular at school. Next, sharp as razor. They have mind like stiff straps, able to judge quickly and correctly what people and situation are like. So they are the master of judgment. So their mind is very sharp and very razor like. Then it is known as perspicacious. 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 So now there are 3 sentences we can make out of this vocab perspicacious. The perspicacious fireman quickly detected the cause of fire because he is keen-minded. So he can easily see the cause of the problem. Many perspicacious investors sold their tech stock because they know that the tech stock is going to go down, so they sell it off. Using the perspicacious mind, Karan easily solved the mystery. So Karan is having a perspicacious mind. Perspicacious. Remember, Perspicacious. Perspicacious. Not placating necessary. So they forgive slight injury. They do not keep grudges. They are much big-hearted. In fact, they are noble. So you can say the adjective of it is magnanimous. MAGN means large and animus means mind. So they are noble. So it is known as magnanimous. Despite the slurs made against him by the opponents, the boxer was magnanimous enough to praise his competitors. So here we have used the vocab magnanimous. One person orchestra. Orchestra means doing many activity but by the one person. So he is experts in all field. So that person who has the range of aptitudes is truly formidable. One who is an expert in many field and he is called as a master of all trades. Then he is known as versatile. Versatile. Now there are 2 sentences we can make out of this word versatile. The SUV is a versatile vehicle. Karan is a versatile player. No grumbling. They bear their trouble bravely. They never ask the sympathy, never yield to sorrow, never wins at pain. They are almost superhuman beings, never complain. They face the problem. And they face the problem in such a manner that other person do not know. Then that person has a stoical personality. Stoical. Stoical student Karan in Miss Smith's class continue to do 3 to 4 hours homework. So the class is very tough, not difficult to work, very difficult to work, and Karan did the work. That means the Karan has a stoical personality. No fear. They are stranger to fear. They are audacious and dauntless. So they are called intrepid. 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 Two sentences we can make out of this. To be an astronaut, you must be intrepid person, because when you are on the galaxy, you feel it is so large and you are just a tiny person. That will create a phobia in you. So you need to be intrepid. Even when the storm was directly over our house, the intrepid old women did not pause. Next, no dullness. They are witty, they are clever, they are delightful, they are brilliant and entertaining conversationalist. So they are scintillating. 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 Now two sentences we can make by using the word scintillating. Three maybe. We are making three sentences by using the verb scintillating. During the interview, the clever Karan came up with an scintillating response. Brilliant response. The professor lecture was far from scintillating. It's not enjoyable, not entertainable, and put most of the class to sleep. I enjoyed engaging in scintillating banter. Means it has a humor, it has a jokes, it is a story, it is an anecdote. So you like it very much. Therefore, it is known as scintillating. City strikers. They are cultivated, poised, tactful, socially experienced and courteous. They are urban. URBANE. Karan is an urban traveler who has visited over 80 countries. So urban means somebody who is experienced, and through their experience you feel they are very sophisticated, they are very social, they are very tactful, they know everything. So they behave in a most disciplined manner. The magazine target audience is the urban woman who is highly cultured and stylish. Now let's see. Here is a matching of the words, and you have to match with the correct word. So the first word is indefatigable. So first one is convivial. Convivial means friendly. So here is one. Then indefatigable. Indefatigable means tireless, never tire. Is indefatigable. Ingenious. Ingenious means frank, candid, authentic, ingenious. Perspicacious. Perspicacious means keen-minded. So perspicacious. Magnanimous. Magnanimous means noble. Versatile. Versatile means capable in many directions. So this is versatile. Stoical. Stoical means unflinching. So stoical. Intrepid. Intrepid means fearless. Scintillating is witty. And urban. Urban means polished on, sophisticated. Next, here is a statement and we have to decide whether it is true or false. Convivial people are unfriendly. No, convivial people are always friendly. So this is false. Anyone who is indefatigable tires easily. Indefatigable never tire. So this is false. An ingenious person is artful and untrustworthy. No, ingenious people is artless and trustworthy. This is also false. A perspicacious person is hard to fool. Yes, because he is keen-minded. A magnanimous person is easily insulted. Magnanimous person is easily insulted because he is ignoring the small fault. He is noble. A versatile person does many things well, correct. He can do many things at the same time with equal skill. Stoical person always complain of his hard lot. No, stoical person never complain of his hard lot. So false. A intrepid explorer is not easily frightened. Intrepid means never fear, is fearless. Is fearless. A scintillating speaker is interesting to listen to. Of course, yes, because scintillating person has a humor and lot of wittiness. Someone who is urbane is always making enemies. Urbane means a person who is very sophisticated, very tactful, very artful. So, no. Now, here is a word and you have to decide whether it is opposite or same. Convivial. Convivial means somebody who is friendly. So, this is an opposite. Indefatigable means he is never tired. So, enervated means tired. So, this is opposite. Ingenious. Ingenious means somebody who is very frank and very genuine in his body language. So, opposite. Perspicacious. Perspicacious. Obtuse. Perspicacious means somebody who is keen-minded, bright, and obtuse means somebody who is dull. Magnanimous. Magnanimous means somebody who is very large-hearted, and petty means a very small thing. So, opposite. Versatile. Versatile means somebody who is expert in all field and well-grounded. So, it is same. Stoical. Stoical means somebody is taking the decision by mind, not by heart. So, somebody who is taking the decision by mind, then he is unemotional. Intrepid. Intrepid means fearless and timid means fearful. So, these are opposite. Scintillating. Scintillating means something which is very extraordinary, not a banal. So, it is opposite. Urbane. Urbane means somebody who is very sophisticated, and rude means somebody is not sophisticated. So, opposite. Now, here is a word and you have to find out the related vocabulary. Witty. Witty means who has wisdom. So, it is known as scintillating. Noble, forgiving. So, it is known as magnanimous. Capable in many fields. Then it is versatile. Keen-minded, perspicacious. Perspicacious. Uncomplaining, stoical. Friendly, convivial. Polished, urbane. Courageous, not having any fear. Then intrepid. Tireless, indefatigable. Indefatigable. Simple and honest and frank, ingenious. So here we are ending session number 32. See you again in session number 33. I am going to put this PDF file in a description box. You can download the file, practice on the PDF itself, and this is the way to master the vocab. Thank you very much. See you again in session number 33. Bye bye.